The Daily Code Snippet. With these videos, we have been defining colors using different systems, but have not yet taken the time to explain those systems. So for the next episodes, we will be discussing how to add color to the web. The first and most basic system to define color is to use the color name system. In this system, colors are represented by predefined names. There are about 147 color names supported by all browsers. This system is rarely used because of the limited color palette, and for most people, other than maybe black, white, red, blue, and yellow, it is difficult to remember the rest of the color names acceptable to browsers. 17 of these colors are considered standard. Here are the colors used in the property background color: aqua, black, blue, fuchsia, gray, green, lime, maroon, navy, olive, orange, purple, red, silver, teal, white, and yellow. This is how they would display. The color name system is useful when you are trying to do something quickly, need a basic color, and do not have the time to look up a hexadecimal code or RGB mix, which will be discussed next. To see all 147 colors, check out this cool tool created by Commuter Creative at http://www.colors.commutercreative.com. Presented by Designers Learn Code.